a no-brainer. I mean, you can't go wrong with Pioneer, and you certainly can't go wrong with dealing with the folks here at the boat shed. I've never had dealing with other boat dealers, and having dealt with the boat shed in the past, that helps a lot. Service after the sale and the quality of individual you deal with here.
Yeah, I've dealt with them, a few times over the years, and I've dealt with 4 or 5 other dealerships around here, but I definitely believe that the boat shed, most professional, most courteous, and this is where I plan on doing my business in the future.
Nice work on the boat shed. They good family organization. We like working with them. But we definitely love working with Tom and Brian. They're good guys.